Holy fuck, dude. I feel like my retinas are gonna burn off. I've been working on a fucking spreadsheet for the last, like, 2 days. Probably a total of, like, 15 hours or some shit. There's no dark mode for these fucking Google spreadsheets that we're using. And my eyes feel like they're just gonna fucking die. But on the bright side, it's kind of fun. I don't really know, like, what career path I would have chosen if I wasn't going to be a streamer, but like the thought of coding things always sounded like a nightmare to me. I'm not dealing with code right now, right? Like it's something pretty tedious, you know, and it feels like I might be the type of person who could handle something like coding. Maybe. I hate math, so I don't know if there's any math involved in coding, but you know, maybe if there is, maybe it's not my area, but you never know. Maybe in the future, that's something I want to like dabble with. Maybe it's something that I've figured out. But our talk for today, just because I'm kind of on the subject right now of, no, you didn't. Oh my God. Okay, I wanted to kill that guy, but like I said, bro, my retinas, they feel like they're gonna burn off, so I don't think I'm killing anything today. But our topic for today, because it feels like kind of on my mind, because sometimes I read comments on videos, my videos and SkillCap videos, and people leave stupid comments, and it sparks a discussion by me, you know? What is the purpose of guide websites, guide channels, or like the websites themselves? So like you go to skillcap.com, you go to gameleap.com, pro guides or something. What is the purpose of that, right? Because people always say stuff like they'll comment things to like skill cap videos, and I'm sure Pro Guides and Game Leap does the exact same thing, where they'll be like, these videos on the website are also on YouTube. Not all of them. We have like exclusive content. We have Smurf commentaries and stuff like that you can't find anywhere else. We also have coaching videos and stuff like that. But some of the videos, yeah, they are on the YouTube. Hey, non-ranting king here. So I didn't feel like I explained this well enough in the video, so I'm going to explain it here in post-recording, and I'll draw some cool pictures on screen for you to look at, okay? So they take the content and they put it into course content, meaning that if you're looking for a specific topic that you need to learn, maybe that's movement, crosshair placement, maybe you're looking for VOD reviews on a specific thing, maybe you think you're the best aimer in the world, but you still lose games. We're going to talk all about that, right? We got a whole fucking course on it, right? That's the convenience part. Because you could go piece through 100 fucking videos of professional players talking about X topic, or you could find it all in one place and a course that is centered around helping you improve. The other cool thing is that there's topics that help teach things better than other people might teach things. Because you can go and watch fucking I'm trying to think of a pro player on the spot, and I'm really blanking on it, but let's say you're watching Nitro's stream or something like that, and Nitro says something in passing. Nitro's a top tier player, obviously, right? But maybe he's not the best teacher. I'm not saying that he is. I'm just saying it's possible, right? You go to a stream, he says something. Somebody else finds a unique way to teach something that resonates with you. Maybe you don't 100% understand what he's saying on his stream, but when you see it in the video and it's explained in a different way, you get it a little bit easier. That's the convenience thing, right? The convenience of finding all of that information in one place that is designed to teach you in the best way possible. On top of this, I only equated this in the video to people going out of their way and looking up these types of videos. The other thing that you're getting out of this is players with years of experience going through the game and telling you what they've learned and what has helped them the best, right? So like for me, climbing from an iron player all the way up until immortal, right? I learned a lot of fucking things on the way that helped me and things that probably didn't help me. I've learned from my mistakes. I've learned from the things that I've done well. And I've learned from professional players along the way, right? I've gathered those tips and I've applied what has worked for me and what hasn't, right? And that's what you're paying for, is so you don't have to do that shit, because you could do that same fucking thing, but it's gonna take you a long time. That's why you watch guide video. Yeah, that's what guide videos are for. You could do all these things. You're paying for the convenience of it. That's why you watch. That's why you subscribe to a channel. It's because although these people are doing things that you could probably do, you don't want to do them, right? Like, by all means, if you want to go through and you want to like figure out your own fucking tips and stuff, you don't need to watch guide channels. But this is for the players who they don't want to do that shit, right? They don't want to go piece through hours of VOD of fucking Shroud doing shit, fucking Sean Garris. They don't want to go watch him and like analyze pro play or something like that. Those are the names I throw out. Those are very educational people like Boaster and stuff like that. I like watching that stuff. I like learning, so I watch that stuff, and that's what I do for my videos. I share what I learned with you, right? That's basically what my videos are. It's me learning from other people and sharing them with people. Obviously, I'm not a Radiant level player, right? I don't have the #1 experience, right? But I can learn from other people, and I can teach it in a way that is informative and helpful for other people, so that they can learn.
Yeah.
So that's basically my rant, dude. It's just irritating because you get comments where people are just like, this tip is ripped from this one dude. It's like, yeah, a lot of tips are ripped from a fucking lot of people. I'm not talking about Skillcapped anymore. I'm talking about any fucking guide channel where people are just like, they will equate it to other guide channels or other things that they've heard. They heard of one clip of Shroud saying one thing once, and suddenly Shroud owns that concept, bro. He literally owns the concept of crosshair placement because he said it first, bro. Obviously, Shroud didn't say. You guys get my point. Get my point. It's just it's irritating because people feel like people own concepts. You can't own a fucking concept, right? There's so many ops in this DM. Are you guys hearing what I'm hearing right now? Like every 2 seconds there's an op shot being going off. Apparently there's only like 2 or 3 of them, but I think they just suck a lot, so they're just firing a lot, you know? Maybe. I don't know. We're doing okay in this DM today. Somebody said that my aim sucked the other day. I was reading the comments. This is the whole premise of this video, huh? I'm reading comments. Never read that. That's a big mistake that I'm never gonna make again. I was reading the comment and somebody said like,
I could find anybody with better aim in a random DM lobby in an Unreal tournament.
I'm like, first of all, calm down, buddy. Second of all, it's just like, you're saying that there's no way that I'm an immortal rank player. And I was like, bro, there's other skills other than having nasty fucking aim. Also, you guys are watching me when I'm doing a full fucking blown conversation. I guess a conversation would be 2 ways. I'm ranting, I'm non-stop talking in a fucking DM while trying to click heads, dude. It's not easy. You go fucking do it. You think that you're better than me, bitch? You go do it, okay? Casey, out.